Hello everyone, it is currently October the 6th at approximately 9:15 and I have just placed an order for a mystery tech box for $9.99 from a well-known website called Living Social. And in this mystery tech box you can get anything from a PlayStation 5 to a Samsung television, even an air fryer. So now we're just going to play the waiting game and see what arrives. So it's been a couple of weeks now, and not only have I developed a very sore eye, but today, this arrived. Looking at this package, I don't think there's a PlayStation 5 in there, or a television for that matter. And we have, oh wow, it's a Viho M3 portable wireless speaker. Nothing else in the bag though, so we can get rid of that. And let's just take a closer inspection of what this wireless speaker has to offer. To begin with then, well, I do quite like the packaging. I mean, you've got this little handle on the top there, so for some reason, in case you want to carry it like that. When it comes to the specifications, well, it states that the speaker size is 1.5 inches, the power is 3 watts, battery 300 milliamps, the playback time is up to 10 hours, which is nice and long. Operating range up to 10 meters, and Bluetooth version is version 4.2. Just a pause for thought there, but I was thinking, I wonder how much one of these actually costs. So let me just do a quick internet search. Okay, some good news, people. This is in fact quite an expensive speaker. It comes up retailing around £60. Anyhow, let's get this thing actually opened up. So we've got a bit of sellotape there and a bit of more sellotape. Right, okay, we're in. And that is the speaker. Oh, and there's also something at the bottom here. Let's check this out. Oh, nothing too exciting, but we do have a micro USB charging cable and of course the instructions. First impressions then of the speaker, well, I must admit it is quite nice. It's very small in size, but does feel very rugged and solid. And the outside coating is this like rubberized material, pretty much the standard stuff that you do find on most portable speakers. You've got a little ring around the bottom there to help it keep it nice and solid, I suppose, on the table. And then as for auxiliary inputs, well, you've got one here, it looks like a 3.5mm jack. Then of course you've got your micro USB charging cable, and then it looks like here you've got a little on-off switch there too. Before we switch this thing on though and test out the sound quality, let me just see here what the instructions are like. That's quite nice, yeah. Here's something that's quite interesting to know though, is that you can actually use more than one speaker at the same time using TWS, which is true wireless stereo, which is quite cool to be honest with you. So let's say you've got two of these and you've got one phone, place your speakers around the room, and then you'll have double the music. But that's the end of the instructions. We don't need to look at a charging cable either. So let's turn this on and hopefully it'll have some charge with it. Excellent, it does have some charge in it, and as you can see there's a little blue LED light flashing away there, which means that this speaker is now in pairing mode, so I suppose I better get something and pair it up. And look at that, here is an iPad that has some charge in it and it's already on Bluetooth mode, so we're going to switch it on and see how long it takes to find the M3 portable speaker. Bluetooth going on. Wow, okay, so it found it very fast. Let's click on it to connect it. And that is connected.
I'm just enough to make you smile, and you need me to hold you close.
I don't know if that's just the music though, or the quality of the speaker, because it doesn't sound that good. So let me just find something else. Well, I know it's small, But from what I can hear, and I know it's only just a quick test with some YouTube videos, but I think that sounds quite poor. Really tinny, no bass whatsoever. Just not nice. I am disappointed. If I had spent £60 on that, I would be definitely going back to the store, throwing my receipt down on the counter and saying, not only do I want a refund, but I want to witness them placing this in the bin. It just sounds like there's a lot of background noise, almost interference. It just doesn't sound that clear. I don't know what it is. It just does not sound right. Moving on then, let's try another test. I've connected my iPhone up to this speaker now as well. I'm just going to phone the missus.
Hello.
Hello there. How are you doing? You okay?
Are you okay?
Yes, you okay? I was just going to test the phone with the speaker, and it looks like the speaker doesn't accept phone calls. It only just plays music. So you are. So that was pretty much it, because I can hear you through the phone, but the speaker is just not doing anything with that phone call.
Oh no.
So yeah, there we go. Okay, so I know it's only a quick review, but I don't really see the point in carrying on. We've tried various different types of music. Yes, I know we only tried YouTube music, but I can't see there being a significant difference in terms of sound quality just by playing actual tracks from a phone or other device. Genuinely shocked though that the phone call didn't come through. I thought it might have been settings or something to do with my iPhone, but no, everything was just connected as normal. The voice didn't come through, as you heard. I just had to have the phone in my hand and talk like normal. To summarise then, well, I must admit I'm greatly disappointed, especially when it started off with a fairly nice design on the box, and then of course you've got this rather solid build. Looks good, it's very small in size, and it seems to be packed with a few nice features for what it is. But then you put the sound on and it just didn't sound right. I don't think there was any bass at all, and it just felt like, you know, when that quality isn't 100% there, to me it did not sound right. It just was not clear. Anyhow, before I go, if you've got any comments or thoughts that you'd like to tell me about the VHO M3 portable Bluetooth speaker, then please let me know in the comment section below. And of course, don't forget, most importantly, to subscribe to the channel. It's totally free to do. All you have to do is to click on that little subscribe button, and if you want to, click on the notifications icon as well. But until next time, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Thank you.